Hey everyone, I have a fun new Traci Reed collection to share with you, and I'm going to do 2 storyline chapter projects. The new kit is called the Love List, and it is so much fun. I love the doodle flowers, and there's just so much in this kit. This is all of the stickers that were in the kit. I just used my Cameo once again. Had to cut a few of these twice because I just couldn't get the Cameo to work. So slowly but surely I'm getting the hang of that Cameo. I think it takes some time. But there is lots of good stuff in this stickers that Traci has, and also just her kit in general. But for these pages, I'm mainly gonna just kind of pull from here. And you guys are probably gonna think my stories are kind of funny, but the first thing that I thought of when I thought about what can I scrapbook with this kit was a fun fry treat that I had. And then also the To All the Boys I've Loved Before, that series of books, and then now movies. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna document that because I love the cheesy romance movies. So I'm gonna do these 2 stories in my storyline chapters, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna switch over to voiceover now. Okay, here I go. I have no plan. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try to put something together to document a fun fry treat. I'm gonna dig through this tray right here. Got it at Target, by the way. It's one of my favorite tools. So I wound up building, of course, a grid. I naturally just went towards a somewhat grid and building stuff around the photo. And now I've decided to just add a little something extra and take my markup Everyday Explorer stamp set and just stamp a bunch of the messy little marks all over in, I think, 4 different places. And I'm going to do it in blue and pink and gray. And that way I just have, like I said, something extra and not just the printables. Also going to use the dots from the greenery stamp set. And then I'm going to put the printables back on and the fry photo back on. And if I need to restamp a few different places, I can do that later. So I'm going to put my photo on, and then I have this tab up here. And I took a lot, like I said, I took a lot of the editing out so you didn't have to see me thumbing through all the different printables. But I picked out what I wanted, and I'm just going to kind of cluster it. And I'm folding up the flowers a little bit so that way they have a little more definition. And then I'm adding in a pink label and then a bigger black label so I can write 2 different little journaling stories. Also adding in that fun yellow phrase that says, "This is some kind of wonderful," which I really like. And then I have the heart symbol that I pop dotted over the fry box. And then, "Oh, happy day," I also pop dotted that as well. Gonna put some more flowers in the corner, and then a black circle that says "heck yes." And then this is where I will add a few more of the marks and just use my stamp paper to cover up places where I did not want the stamping to go. And then this one will be almost done. I am just finishing up a few more little stamps, and then I'm going to document my little story about fries. And in this pink label, I just say, if fries are my kryptonite. I just love fries, and I could have them anytime, anywhere. And then in this box, I'm just talking about why we got them after a family day. My husband was willing to stop there and get me my my craving. So, and then I had one little space at the bottom that I needed to fill in, so I decided to add some yellow. I'm going to skip a page in my chapters and put another Love List project right here, which is the 3 movies, To All the Boys that I Loved Before. Didn't come in this layout either with a plan, so I'm just kind of messing around with the pieces that I did print. And once again, I kind of came up with another grid design. I have that yellow piece of paper, 2 journaling cards, and then a bunch of die cuts. And I found one die cut that says, "P.S. I love this," and that fits so perfect. Absolutely perfect. So I'll have that 3x4 card, and then I'll have the yellow paper right next to it. And when I trimmed the smaller yellow piece of paper, I wound up not leaving enough room. So there's a small gap, and I'll cover that up with flowers. Just trimmed off a piece of the yellow so that way it came down to the same ending as the black journaling card. filling in that gap with a die cut that says XOXO, and then some flowers. And then from there, I'm just going to fill in the rest of this grid. I just love these movies. I loved the books. It's such a cute, sweet, romantic, high school sweethearts type of story. I am going to mat one of the movie posters onto this plaid pattern, and then I have another die cut that says Heart Melt. I just found these images on Google. There actually was not a lot of good resolution photos for these 3 movies, which was surprising, but these are the ones that I found and I was able to print them out, so I'm just going to use them. Gonna put another little tab up there, just like I did with my fry project, and then I'm gonna add in a few hearts, and now I'm just gonna journal about enjoying the books and enjoying these cheesy movies, and then I will be done with both of these projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. I appreciate you watching and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.